Reading files brings external data into your program. Text files are simple to read with C#'s file class, making them perfect for configuration files, logs, or data imports from external sources. The read-all-text method gets the entire file as one string, loading everything into memory at once. Read-all-lines splits the file into an array of lines, which is useful when processing line by line. Use streams for large files to read line by line and save memory. This prevents loading massive files into memory all at once. Always wrap the file operations in using statements to ensure files close properly even if exceptions occur. Before reading, check if a file exists with the File.Exists to avoid exceptions from missing files. Robust file handling prevents crashes and provides better error messages for users when something goes wrong.